Hi guys, it's William. So how you guys doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Today it's May 11th, 2022. It's a Wednesday. So what's going on in the market today? And today it makes 2 years since Bitcoin halving, and we'll talk about that and the days coming or months coming. The S&P 500 right now it's in the negative 11.69 point. The Dow Jones it's in the negative 2.60 points, and we have the Nasdaq around 99.29 points. In the negative zone, which is the market dip today. Let's see what do we have for news. For news, today they released the inflation, the CPI, which is Consumer Price Index. They show that it increased 8.3% in April. That means consumer price. We're talking about what we buy and what we consume. So they released the inflation rate after last week Fed interest rate hikes. We see the consequence today. And as for Bitcoin today, Bitcoin the model of altcoin it went down by a lot, and we see some other coin that bleed even more and more than that. Bitcoin is trading right now around $29,854 a coin, so which is the one of the lowest it gets. This is the bottom. For now, we don't know where the price will be in the next few hours or next few days, months, because it's confirmed that we're in a bear market right now. You build your portfolio on a bear market. And as for the altcoin, which is XRP, Ethereum, Shiba, and others, today they went this morning around like 8 o'clock a.m. They went down by a lot. As you can see, Dogecoin went down to 7 cents. We have Shiba went down by 25%, XRP 15%. That was one of the worst that happened. That was really wild. And and that's when you grab your coin. This is when I think now we in the buy zone. This is where you buy the dip. And as for information today, let's talk about the SEC. What is the SEC? SEC is an agency in the stock market. The SEC stood for the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission. The SEC is like enforcement in the market, where it's where you have to register your company, the security and stuff. The SEC take care of all those registration. So the SEC is there to put policies to make sure that the company is not playing the right of the market. Like if you're cheating, the SEC will come after you. Um, the SEC is there to to track down a bad company and make sure that they're on the right path in the market. That there's no scam, there's no wrongdoing, and the SEC today on crypto. We have the SEC chairman. His name is Gangsler. He took the chair last year by Biden. He was today he was talking about crypto. Like he consider like all unregulated crypto as security. There's a difference between security and in a currency. A security is like shares in a company, especially like you have share in Apple. Those are security, but Bitcoin is not a security. But is trying like to have them all crypto company to register themselves with the SEC. So we don't even know who we heard the name of the person who created Bitcoin, but we don't know who he is. So how someone will come or Bitcoin will get registered, but there's some crypto that got like creator, like we got XRP, we got a creator, we got Ethereum that has one, but that's really a big crackdown on crypto right now. And as proof, we have this company Luna. This company today went down by more than 90%. Came from 177, 170 is high to low 90 cents. This company, the reason why it went down, this company is not really like it's like this coin. What they do, they had Bitcoin to the balance sheet, and then today as Bitcoin went down, $8 billion came out of it. This is one of the things that gangster is trying to avoid, because there's some people like they don't really have a coin. They just buy Bitcoin and then have people invested into their coin, and then all of a sudden when Bitcoin dip, the company dips some more, and themselves they pull out the money. I think this is one thing. This is the right side that is talking about. And as for the stock market today, stock market, we have two scenario: 2008 and 2020 dip. We don't know if this one will be different, but those two I just mentioned, they were really wild. So we don't know what's gonna happen if we fall 2020. I think the by the end of May we should reach the bottom. We should be able to see that the end of this year, like the market will be recovered. But if we go by 2008 recession, the market will be down for a long time. And right now we're looking at the DXY, it's still on 103. So it seems like it's consolidating up there. Like that means we're in a bear market, like in all way. The only market that's not down right now is the housing market, which is really high. We don't know when it's gonna crash. But as for cryptocurrency, so let's go first to see what's gonna happen in the short run. When I say short run, I say like the next 24 or the next 3 days. What can happen in the market, and combined with bad news that come, like especially the SEC right now that's cracking down on the crypto market. Right now I'm looking at Bitcoin under 4 hours. As you can see yesterday, Bitcoin after the dip, it has the day before yesterday, I think that was Monday. The 4 hours was really flat. There's not that much volume, but this morning, like it dips. Bitcoin dips to a lowest, but the 4 hours outside did not really move down. But it has to come down tonight, which is will be a panic. And as for the 1 day is still flat down. If the 1 day is moving like tonight, the day or tomorrow or the day after, it will be a little recovery for Bitcoin. In the long run, I mean like the next year, the year after, the months coming. We're in a bear market right now, but the best thing that I'm looking right now, when Bitcoin hit 56,000 last year, that was the top of the market. Whatever happened after that, when it reached 69, that was like it was not really like I think it was like some people comes together but happened, but it was not meant to be happen. So that was the 1 week. So the 1 week mean shows that we are in the end of the dip. So now we have to buy the market. But as for the 1 week, you see the moving average, the line, the blue and no, the green and the red line, they're crossing right now. So this crossing will take us like around 13 months to be happen. So are you gonna be patient enough to wait for this event to be happen? Let's see what's gonna happen in the market, or the world will be changing. And I think we understand the market. So I hope you guys will leave video and take notes and buy the dip. So that's all we can do right now. Buy the dip. So you don't regret what's gonna happen in the next few months. In the next 3 years, it will be massive.